Welcome to the Power of Breath workshop. I'm your guide, Trista. I'm a yoga, Pilates, dance instructor. I'm passionate about nurturing the mind-body-spirit connection and helping others to do the same. So join me over the next few days as we explore the power of our breath. Most of us are not breathing into the full expanse of our lungs. They can expand much farther than we're typically allowing them to. So breathing all the way and expanding those lungs can really change your energy level. It can change your mental state and really tune you into your body. This is something that I've had to train myself to do and learn to do. I grew up as a ballet dancer and then I was a Pilates teacher. And even in Pilates, there's a lot of connection with the breath, but you're working on really holding the core, which is great, but you're focusing on breathing laterally, which is the same in ballet because you need to hold so strongly in your core. This serves a very important purpose when you're performing those activities. However, I did find that when I really dove into my yoga practices and exploring the pranayamas and how important it is to breathe fully and deeply, that I had a lot of restriction breathing all the way down into my belly and being able to expand that because I had lived my whole life really holding that in and being so restricted there. So that's something we're going to explore today, breathing all the way into our torso. So to start out, just find yourself a comfortable seat. You can sit on the floor, you can sit in a chair, whatever is comfortable for you. If you are sitting on the floor, you might find it more comfortable to sit up on a cushion. Take some of the pressure off your low back and hips. So finding your comfortable seat. Stack your spine nice and tall. Relax your shoulders. You can keep your eyes open or you can close your eyes if you wish, whatever feels comfortable to you. And just start to tune into your breath. Notice right now, are you breathing through your nose or are you breathing through your mouth? Place one hand on your heart and then inhale through your nose, breathing into your hand. Expanding your chest and exhale through your nose. Now move your hand down to your belly. Same thing again, we're gonna breathe into our chest and then continue expanding all the way down into our belly. And then as we exhale, we're gonna reverse. So the belly's gonna come in and then out through the chest. Like you're inflating a balloon and then deflating it. All right, hand on your belly, shoulders relaxed, spine nice and straight. Inhale through the nose. Into the chest, into the diaphragm, all the way down into the belly. Feel your belly expand into your hand. And slowly exhale. First, contract away from the hand, up through the diaphragm, relax the chest. Let's take that one more time. Inhaling through the nose, chest, diaphragm, belly. Exhale slowly, belly, diaphragm, chest. Let's take it one more time. Inhaling through the nose. Feel the belly expand and exhale slowly. So this is a really simple breath that you can easily incorporate into your life and your day as you go about your day. I find it really useful in my own personal life as a wife and a mother and a business owner and a teacher. I find there's many times where I find it very useful to press pause so that I can respond to a situation instead of reacting. It also gets me, when there's a lot of stuff going on, it gives me a moment to just kind of get out of my head and into my body. It just feels really good. So I would love for you to try this. It's an easy one to just use throughout your day, anytime that you're feeling any kind of tension or stress, and just take a deep breath. Try it out and let me know how it goes. I would love to see if you notice that it makes a shift for you mentally or emotionally. And I will see you all again tomorrow as we explore and dive a little deeper into the power